Hi, let's see one of the question related to indexing. So the question is like this. Suppose that in a file organization, record size is 150 bytes, block size is 512 bytes. There are a total of 3000 records. It should be 30,000 records. The data field on which indexing is done is 9 bytes and a block pointer size is 7 bytes. How many block accesses will be needed? How many block accesses will be needed to access a data item in case of single level primary indexing? Means here they are following the approach of primary indexing, right? Guys, first try to note down the parameters what they have given. They have given one is record size. One is record size which is of 150 bytes and block size which is of 512 bytes. Total number of records which you want to place in the disk is 30,000 records and the data field on which indexing is done, right? Indexing is means it is going to take 9 bytes and a block pointer size is 7 bytes and you need to calculate the how many block access required in order to access a data item, right? Yes, guys, you know the complete concept, right? You can go through the earlier videos, right? So you are going to have a complete disk. This disk is supposed to have 30,000 records are there. Now you need to find the total number of blocks are capable to store here, so that that number of records are going to be available in the primary indexing, right? This is index file. So to identify number of blocks are available here, first you need to find the total number of records that are going to fit in the one particular block, right? You know the block size is 512 bytes according to the question. Block size is 512 bytes and record size is 150 bytes. So how many records I can able to place at a particular time, which is equal to 3 point something, right? But it should be a kind of floor value, so you are going to get 3. So the total number of records that I can able to place in a particular block is 3 records, right? So in one particular block, if I place 3 records, total number of blocks are required for us are something like 30,000 by 3, so which is equal to 10,000 blocks are required. Guys, I am assuming that you have watched earlier video where I have clearly explained and earlier concepts also, right? So that I am trying to do it somewhat fast, right? So you require total of 10,000 blocks. As you are going to have 10,000 blocks in index file, you are going to have 10,000 records, right? So these 10,000 records are going to be again divided into in the form of blocks, right? Yes. If it is going to divide in the form of blocks, you know the block size is 512 bytes. Yes. And in a block, how many index records are going to be saved? That you need to calculate, right? So what is the size of the index record? The size of the index record is you know, right, which is a kind of key size plus block pointer size. So what is the block pointer? Block pointer size is 7 and key size is key means what here? Data only, right? Data size is 9, right? So total 512 by 16, which is equal to 32 records, right? Meaning that in a particular block I can able to store 32 records. If I can able to store 32 records for 10,000 index records, how many blocks are required? Which is equal to if I am going to calculate 10,000 by 32, which is equal to 312.5, which is equal to 312.5 blocks are required. So means I required 313 blocks. 313 block, right? If I am going to have 313 blocks, how we are going to search? You can able to search with help of log 313 base 2. Log 313 base 2, right? So which is approximately so 2 power 9 is 512, right? So 2 power 8 is 256. So which is around 8 point something. If it is 8 point something, I need to take it as 9. So total number of blocks which I need to access here are 9 blocks I need to access. Sorry, 9 block accesses. 9 block access, right? Now once you identify 9 block, it is going to go for another block, right? Yes, this particular block, right, to access a particular data. So total 9 plus 1, 10 block accesses are required in order to access a particular data item. Right? So we have given the formula also for this one, right? How we are going to access the data item for us, right? Log bi base 2 plus 1. Hope you understood clearly. Thank you.